Great advice about learning how to make money online that anyone can easily follow. Making money online is a dream of many in this day and age. In truth, it is almost impossible to make money in any way without using the internet somehow. To learn a few tricks and tips about making money online, keep watching into the rest of this video for some pointers. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher-paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and PaperPost. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. As mentioned earlier, it is practically impossible to make money these days without the internet. Now it is also possible to make money just online. Use the tips, tricks and techniques you learned from this video to either start making money online, or start making more than you did before. Student loan.